Hello friends, in this episode we will be discussing on important questions relating to chapter number 12 of DRA syllabus. ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଏହି ଅଧ୍ୟାୟରେ DRA ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମର ଦ୍ୱାଦଶ ଅଧ୍ୟାୟ ବିଷୟର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ଦ୍ୱାଦଶ ଅଧ୍ୟାୟ ଋଣ ପୁନରୁଦ୍ଧାର ବା ଅସୁଲି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ତାର ଅର୍ଥ ଆଉ ତାର କାନୁନି ଏବଂ ରିଜର୍ଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶାବଳୀ ଅଛି ତାହା କ'ଣ ଅଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। In this chapter we will be discussing on the meaning of DRA and what are the regulatory and legal frameworks. The very first question which may be asked is, what are the reasons for appointment of DRAs by different banks? The first reason is exponential growth of retail loans in widespread areas. Because of this exponential growth, many accounts became NPA or were on the verge of becoming NPA. Many accounts were given without having a savings bank account from which recovery could have been done. Banks officials can be better utilized for more productive purposes, and appointment of recovery agents has been in practice in different other countries which have been fruitful. Hence, in India also, RBI allowed the banks to appoint recovery agents. ଋଣ ଅସୁଲି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି କରିବା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନଙ୍କ ପକ୍ଷରେ କାହିଁକି ଅନୁଭୂତ ହେଲା? ପ୍ରଥମ କାରଣ ହେଲା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଖୁଚୁରା ଋଣର ଦ୍ରୁତ ଅଭିବୃଦ୍ଧି ଏବଂ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ବିସ୍ତାର। ଦ୍ରୁତ ଅଭିବୃଦ୍ଧି ଲାଗି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଋଣ NPA ହେଇଗଲା ବା NPAର ଦ୍ୱାର ଦେଶରେ ରହିଲେ। ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଅଫିସର ମାନେ, ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଅଧିକାରୀ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ସମୟଟାକୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ପ୍ରକାର ଲାଭଜନକ ବ୍ୟବସାୟରେ ସମୟ ଦେଇପାରିବେ। ଯେଉଁମାନଙ୍କୁ ଋଣ ଦିଆହେଇଥିଲା ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସେଭିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲିଙ୍କ ନଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁଥିରୁ କି ଟଙ୍କାଟା ରିକଭରି କରାହେଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତା। ଏବଂ ଋଣ ଅସୁଲି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି କରିବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦେଶରେ, ଅନ୍ୟ ଦେଶରେ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ଏହି ପ୍ରଥା ଚାଲିଛି ଏବଂ ତାହା ଫଳପ୍ରଦ ବି ହେଇଛି। ଏସବୁ କାରଣ ଲାଗି ଆମ ଦେଶରେ ବି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନେ ଋଣ ଅସୁଲି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବା ନିଯୁକ୍ତି କରିବା ପକ୍ଷରେ ଭାରତୀୟ ରିଜର୍ଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅନୁମତି ଦେଲେ ବା ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶାବଳୀ ଦେଲେ। Debt recovery agent, as the name indicates, has three words. What is debt? What is debt? Debt is what one person owes to another person. ଯାହା ଡେପ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଥ ବା ଋଣ ଅର୍ଥ, ଡେପ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଥ ଋଣ, ଜଣେ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଯାହା ଦେବାକୁ ବାକି ଅଛି। In case of bank loans, the debt means amount which is due. ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଋଣ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଯେଉଁ ରାଶି ଦେବାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବାକି ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଡେପ୍ଟ। What is recovery? Recovery is applicable in case of collection. If one person becomes unsuccessful or successful, then recovery efforts are undertaken. But nowadays, recovery collection is also given as details. Collection function is also given to DRS. Recovery বা ଅସୁଲି କ'ଣ? ଅସୁଲି ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ହେଉଛି କଲେକ୍ସନ୍ ବା ଆଦାୟ ଯଦି ଫଳପ୍ରଦ ନ ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ ଅସୁଲି ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାକୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯାଆନ୍ତି। Agent is defined under section 182 of Indian Contract Act. It is a legal term, hence it is described under section 182 of Indian Contract Act. Question may come, agent is defined where? Agent is defined in section 182 of Indian Contract Act. एजेंट की कौन? एजेंट कौन वर्णना कराई? एजेंट भारतीय चुक्तिनामा आईन रो धारा 182 रे वर्णना कराई। सो हु इज ए रिकवरी एजेंट? ए रिकवरी एजेंट is a person or entity appointed by a bank or financial institution to recover or collect the dues from different third parties. The third parties are borrowers. ऋण असुली एजेंट किए? ऋण असुली एजेंट गोटे भारतीय कौन सी बैंक द्वारा नियुक्त होता जो मैंने कि ऋणी मानू देय राशि आदाय करता। What are the methods adopted by debt recovery agent for recovery or collection? The normal process or normal recovery process is contact through telephone, issue letters and visit the borrowers. ऋण असुली एजेंट माने साधारणतः कौ प्रक्रिया द्वारा ऋण आदाय बा असुली करथांती? ऋण असुली एजेंट माने फोन द्वारा जोगाजोग करी बा नोटिस पठेई बा व्यक्तिगत भावे ऋणी को पाखकु जाई ऋण आदाय करिथांती। Then what are the benefits for the banks by appointing debt recovery agents? Banks' benefits are banks officials can be utilized for booking more remunerative business. Debt recovery agents are specially skilled, specially trained persons and are hence considered as effective in recovery function. A skillfully negotiated settlement is better than filing of suits. These are the three reasons. ऋण असुली एजेंट नियुक्ति करिवा द्वारा बैंक मानकु कौन सुविधा मिलता है? ऋण असुली एजेंट अपॉइंट करिवा द्वारा बैंक रो अधिकारी माने विशेष फलप्रद बा लाभप्रद व्यवसाय रे निज समय विनियोग करि परिबे। ऋण असुली एजेंट माने जेहेतु विशेष रूपे प्रशिक्षित से माने ऋण असुली काम बैंक अफिसर मानक अपेक्षा भलरे करिवे बोली आशा करा जाए। तृतीयतः जो गोटे आपस समाधान द्वारा जोटा ऋण आदाय कराई थाए ताहा केस दायर करने अपेक्षा बहुत सुविधाजनक एवं लाभप्रद। What are the disadvantages for the banks? by appointing debt recovery agents, or what are the disadvantages of appointing debt recovery agents? First is bank has to part with some commission. Second, if the debt recovery agent tarnishes the relationship with the borrower or customer, then bank's image is hampered. ऋण असुली एजेंट नियुक्ति करने द्वारा बैंक मान को कौन क्यों क्यों असुविधा ही थाए? प्रथमतः बैंक किसी ऋण असुली एजेंट को किसी कमिशन देवा पड़े। द्वितीयतः जदि ऋण असुली एजेंट बरों सहित किसी झगड़ाझाटी बा किसी खराब व्यवहार करती, तेबे बैंक रो जो इमेज बा बैंक रो जो छवि अच्छी समाज रे बा बाहरे मार्केट रे सेटा खराब होबो बा से छवि मली न पड़िबो। Who can be appointed as an agent, or who can be appointed as an agent? A person who is a major and must be of sound mind. एजेंट किए नियुक्ति हो पारे? कौन सी व्यक्ति जे कि साबालक होइथिबे एवं सुस्थ मस्तिष्क वाला होइथिबे से एजेंट भाव में नियुक्ति हो पारे। What are the processes of creating recovery agency agreement? What are the processes of creation of agency agreement? First is agency by agreement. Second, implied agency. Third is agency by ratification. Agency अरेंजमेंट बा व्यवस्था, एजेंसी व्यवस्था केते प्रकार सृष्टि कराई थाए? एजेंसी प्रकार व्यवस्था तीन प्रकार सृष्टि कराई थाए। चुक्तिनामा द्वारा एजेंसी, सूचक एजेंसी बा इम्प्लाइड एजेंसी, परवर्ती काल रे स्वीकृति द्वारा एजेंसी बा राटिफिकेशन, राटिफाइड एजेंसी बाय राटिफिकेशन। What type of instructions the agent has to follow and the principal can give? Principal can give only lawful instructions and agent has to follow all lawful instructions. केउ प्रकार निर्देश मुख्य बा बैंक दे पारिबे एवं एजेंट कौन कौन मानिया पड़िबो? एजेंट न्यायोचित निर्देश दे पारिबे एवं एजेंट बैंक न्यायोचित निर्देश दे पारिबे एवं बैंक मध्य न्यायोचित निर्देश सबू मानिबा को बाध्य। As per RBI guidelines, what is the stipulated training period? As per RBI guidelines, for graduates must be trained for minimum 50 hours and undergraduates must be trained for minimum 100 hours. Debt recovery policy of the banks differ from bank to bank. ऋण असुली नीति भिन्न भिन्न बैंक रो भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार रो थाए। what are the codes suggested by BCSBI, or what are the codes developed by BCSBI for banks? BCSBI has developed two codes. One is Code of Bank's Commitment to Customers, and another is Bank Code of Bank's Commitment to Micro and Small Enterprises. BCSBI द्वारा विकसित दुईटी कोड कौन? प्रथमटी है बैंक मानकर ग्राहकों प्रति प्रतिबद्धता एवं द्वितीय बैंक मानकर सूक्ष्म एवं क्षुद्र एंटरप्राइज बा संस्था मानक प्रति प्रतिबद्धता. When banking ombudsman scheme was started, banking ombudsman scheme was started in the year 2006. Who can complain? Who can lodge a complaint with the banking ombudsman? Any person or any customer who is aggrieved on the services of a bank can file a complaint. Banking ombudsman व्यवस्था कौन एवं ताहा केबेठारु लागू हैला? बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन व्यवस्था 2006 मसीहारु लागू हैला. किए अभियोग पत्र दाखल करि परिबे? कौनसी ग्राहक जे कि बैंक रो सेवारे असंतुष्ट सी बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन को पाखरे अभियोग दाखल करि परिबे. When can a customer file a complaint with the ombudsman, with the banking ombudsman? First, customer has to lodge a complaint with the bank, a written complaint or by mail, by post or by mail. And if the bank does not reply within 30 days, or if the customer is not satisfied with the reply of the bank, then the customer can file a complaint with the banking ombudsman within 1 year of return of the application or receiving the reply from the bank. बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन को पाखरे ग्राहक केबे को परिस्थिति रे केबे अभियोग दाखल करि परिबे? प्रथमे ग्राहक को बैंक पाखरे अभियोग देबा पड़िबो. ता लिखित अभियोग हेइथवा दरकार, निजे बा व्यक्तिगत भावे बा पोस्ट द्वारा बा मेल द्वारा पठैथिवा दरकार. जदि बैंक रु मासे भितरे कोनोसी उत्तर मिलला नहीं बा बैंक रो उत्तर रे ग्राहक संतुष्ट नुहंती, तेबे जो दिन से उत्तर पाइले से दिन ठू 1 वर्ष मध्य रे बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन को पाखरे अभियोग दाखल करि परिबे. How can the complaint be lodged? The complaint can be lodged by the customer, by himself or by authorized representative, himself or herself or by authorized representative. But a complaint cannot be lodged through an advocate. किपरि अभियोग दाखल करिवे? अभियोग निजे व्यक्तिगत भावे बा निजर अधिकृत प्रतिनिधि द्वारा अभियोग पत्र दाखल करिहब. किंतु एई अभियोग दाखल करिया पई वकीलंकर सहायता नेबाकू हेबो नाही. By what manner a complaint can be lodged? Same, by in person, but written complaint has to be lodged in person or by post or by mail. What is the maximum award banking ombudsman can give? Banking ombudsman can give the maximum award of 20 lakhs. Retail loans are of generally of what amount? Retail loans are generally of small amounts. Ombudsman केते टंकार अधिकतम केते टंकार अवार्ड दे परिबे? Ombudsman अधिकतम 20 लाख टंका पर्यंत अवार्ड दे परिबे बैंक विरुद्ध रे आउ खुचरा ऋण गुड़िक केते टंकार होता है केते राशि होता है? साधारणतः स्मॉल अमाउंट बा अल्प स्वल्प ये अमाउंट राशि होता है. What constitutes larger portion of the retail loans? Housing loans constitute the larger portion of the retail loans. खुचरा ऋणर अधिकतम भाग क्यों ऋण? खुचरा ऋणर अधिकतम भाग होची गृह ऋण. These are the questions, important questions relating to chapter number 12. But again, I request all of you to go through the entire chapter so that you can attempt or reply. You can answer the questions if other questions are asked. ये सब 12 नंबर अध्याय मुख्य प्रश्न उत्तर बा गुरुत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न उत्तर. किंतु मु आउ थे आप समस्त को अनुरोध करी जे अध्यायटी पूरा पढ़िबे ताद्वारा कौन हम अन्य कौन प्रकार जदि प्रश्न आसला आपण माने उत्तर दे परिबे. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.